My birthday is Sunday, so I'm really excited. Oh, it's sun bright. Damn. Happy Monday, guys. So today is Monday, May 25th, and I am currently en route to the hot dog factory. I have an installation to do there today. So they're getting their walls wrapped. It's a brand new hot dog business. Apparently this franchise come from like Atlanta. It's been featured on shows like Love and Hip Hop Atlanta and, you know, various reality shows like that, but it's a new franchise. They're coming to Houston. This is going to be the first Houston location, so that's a big thing. So shout outs to Bridget, Queen Bee, and, you know, everyone with the hot dog factory here in Houston. So I'm going to go to Altius Graphics first to pick up all my material, and not all my material, but all of my tools. And then once I have all my tools, we're going to head out to the hot dog factory. I'm going to bring you guys along on a ride so you can see how my work is done, and how, you know, typically I like to handle these type of installations. We're going to be wrapping one of their walls. So yeah, I'm excited. Big things coming from the hot dog factory. Big things coming from running with the Rosses. So I'm going to bring you guys along. Come on. What's up, guys? So as you guys can see, I'm here at Altius Graphics, and I am waiting for this print to finish. I'm so tired of waiting for this damn print. I'm ready to go. Still got 10 more minutes on that one, and I have to start another one afterwards, but it's only two panels versus this one is 4. So it's not gonna take as long. Guys, so got the lamination going. So now the wall wrap is being laminated, and everything is going really smooth. And that's the back of it. It's kind of re-rolling itself up. So that part is done, or work in progress rather. So that's pretty much how the lamination works. As you can see, I actually cut it because it was getting too long. And so if you look, you can see it's kind of like creasing, or not really creasing, but kind of, you know, folding a little bit, which is not going to be a problem now. But that's why I cut it, because the longer it gets, the higher the possibility that has of happening. So I kind of wanted to make sure that I didn't do it too long, because I didn't want it to fold like that. But you can see it's already starting to flatten itself out a bit. So everything looks good with the lamination. Everything is going good with the print. So once I finish this, I'll see you guys at the hot dog factory. So we just finished up at Altius. I got all my tools, as you can see. Yep, I got all my tools. So we just finished packing up the car. Sid just got all the letters and everything. He's already on his way there. So we're now headed to the hot dog factory to start the installation. Just some of the tools I grabbed. Cleaning things, alcohol, soap water, squeegees, knives, tape, just everything that I'm going to need for the installation. You guys will see everything later on. So yeah, so we headed out now. I see you guys at the hot dog factory. All right, guys, so we just made it to the hot dog factory. My boy Frankie's over there, but as you can see, this is the spot, and we're going to do this. Basically, this is what we're doing. So we're going to start from this corner, which is over there, work our way down over here. So it's going to be a pretty straight, standard wall wrap, kind of like what's up there. Shouldn't take too long. Should be able to knock it out in a day, I think so. The panels are long, but they're not as long as I thought they would be, so that's always a good thing. So I got my boy Frankie here with me, and we're gonna knock this shit out. So, anything you want to add, Frankie?
I'm good.
All right, well, we'll get started, and I'll make sure to show you guys how we do this whole shebang. All right, so.
Many unbearable hours later.
Okay, guys, so we just wrapped up for today. We thought we would be able to finish it today, but because of that pipe up there in that corner, we wasn't able to. That pipe kind of messed up the alignment for the rest of them, so we kind of had to align the best way we could. I still have a couple of blemishes to fix, but as you can see, it's coming out pretty well. That pipe up there is an asshole, but it's coming out pretty well. So hopefully actually there's no hopefully about it. We're going to finish it tomorrow. So we're going to finish it tomorrow. But this is where we was able to progress today. So, I mean, not bad progression given the difficulties we had to deal with. But hopefully tomorrow goes a lot smoother. We'll be kind of in and out since we got the most difficult part done. So, we'll see. What's up, guys? So today is Tuesday, May 26th. I have Raquel. Come on, baby. And we're getting ready to go back on day 2 of the installation for the hot dog factory. We didn't finish yesterday. We kind of ran into some trouble with the pipes that was kind of getting in the way of the wall wrap. So we're headed back there now to finish up today. We got the hard part out the way, so that's the good thing. You ready to roll, baby?
Yeah, I'm ready to roll.
All right, well, y'all heard her. She's ready to roll. I'm ready to roll, so we'll see you guys at the hot dog factory. Okay, guys, so we made it. Day number 2. We're back at this place to finish the job that we started yesterday over here. So we're going to wrap the rest of that wall from here to here. Well, about where that line is. I don't know if you guys can see that line, but Frank haven't made it here yet, so it's just me and my baby doll here right now. Say hey.
Hey, guys.
Say hey.
Hey, guys.
You hanging with Daddy today?
You gonna kiss Daddy today?
You gonna help me?
You help me?
Are you gonna help me today?
Yeah.
You gonna help me work?
Yeah.
Thank you. You so sweet. I love you.
Yes,
You wanna show your new shoes? Show your new shoes. Yeah, you like your shoes? Yeah. So Kaylee's with me today, and I'm finna. So I gotta knock this out as quickly as possible because I don't want to keep my baby up here all bored and stuff. So I'm finna knock this out, make it look nice and clean, and I'm gonna show you guys an update once I finish. Okay? All right. Deuces. My birthday is Sunday, so I'm really excited. Oh, it's sun bright. Damn. Sun out bright. But it look like it's gonna be a pretty day today. It's been like raining lately. So it look like it's gonna be a nice little day today. But so today we're supposed to be going back to the hot dog factory. They like my work so much that they want me to come back. But no, seriously, they really do. So I have 5 tables. I have 2 restrooms, and I have a door to do. So I'm going to be busy with that. Hopefully not all day, because I really have to like get back home so I can start you know, get in front of my computer and start working on the vlog or whatever. A couple of vlogs that I need to edit up. But anyways, back to the day. So as I said before, so I'm currently on the way to Altiz. I have a couple of more prints to print before I head to the hot dog factory to start the installation for that. So once I finish my prints, I'm going to head to hot dog factory, start that installation so I can finish with that as quickly as possible, and, you know, shoot home and get ready to enjoy my birthday weekend. So I'm gonna make sure I bring you guys along on a ride. I'm almost at Altiz now, so I'm sorry if it's bright. This sun is killing me, but I'll see you guys at the hot dog factory when I get there. All right, cool. Okay, guys, so I just made it here to Altiz Graphics, as you can see. So I need to print the other restroom. So basically, as I explained to you guys, let me get the camera on so you guys can see the print. But okay, so basically, I was up here last night. As I explained to you guys, we have 5 tables. So I got those printed. We have a door. I got the door printed. We have 2 restrooms, one smaller restroom and a larger restroom. I got the smaller restroom printed. I have all of the tables printed, and I have the doors printed. So I'm currently about to print the bigger restroom, or the larger restroom. Printing that now, and after I finish printing that restroom, then I'm going to bring it over here, which is the laminator, as you guys can see, sticky. But I'm going to laminate this, and then once I have it laminated, then the installation can start. So you know, so I mean, it's a process. Anytime you're doing this type of work, it's a process. But like, the payout is seeing your work afterwards. Like, it's a really, really cool feeling to see, you know, something that you spend so much time on designing and prepping. It's like a really good feeling to see it come, you know, into its own. So so I'm gonna make sure I bring you guys along on the ride for that. So I'm gonna get back to this, trying to finish this as quick as possible, because I don't want to be doing this all day. And yeah, I'll see you guys in a little bit. Here's the tour. That's the door I just did. And they're gonna come through here. Voila! Voila, guys. Look at that. Whew, man. All the way around. Took a couple hours, but got it done, got it finished, and that's that. So my work here is done. Oh wait, I forgot to show you guys the tables. We're gonna come here, and these are the tables. Tables are done. Everything is done. So that's the tour of the hot dog factory facility. Let me know what you guys think. Oh, okay, guys. So I just made it home after a long install. Yeah, you can say hey, baby.
Hey, guys.
So just made it home after a long install. Literally just got her out the tub, so she's ready for bed. Right? You ready to go night night?
Mhm.
Yep. So she's all ready for bed. and I'm tired. I'm about to hop in the shower myself. I still haven't eaten anything yet, so I'm gonna eat after I get out. But I wanted to thank you guys for hanging out with me over these last couple of days and kind of working with me to see how this installation stuff is done. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope you guys enjoyed the process. And if you know, let me know in the comment section below what you thought of my work. It'd be much appreciated. As you know, I'm always trying to get better, so if y'all can help me contributing to that, I would really appreciate it. Do your boy a solid. But I'm going to end the vlog here, so if you guys like what you saw today, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Sorry for all the background noise. As you can see, she having a blast with that Peppa Pig watch. But yeah, like I said, like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys thought of the process, what you guys thought of my work. Just whatever. Just let me know what you guys thought. I really appreciate that. So that's pretty much it. I'm about to go hop in the shower and eat and lay it down for bed. So thank you guys for hanging out with us. You want to say something, baby? What you want to say?
I want to say.
Say something.
What do you want to say?
I don't know. Say what you want to say. Tell them bye-bye.
Bye-bye, guys.
Say I'm going to bed.
I'm going to bed.
All right. Well, you heard it, guys. So, all right, guys. Deuce.
I'm a new soul, I came to this strange world, hoping I could learn a bit about how to give and take. But since I came soul, I came to this strange world, hoping I could learn a bit about how to give and take.
Man, I love this life, let's let it all unfurl. Love all my fans, and I love this girl. She got a heart of diamonds and her eyes like pearls. Gotta take her with me when I tour the world. So give me a little bit more time. Hit it with a verse so dope, so prime. Metaphorical lines every time I rhyme, just to make you feel happiness inside. We just believe and dream, gotta work pristine, gotta